Have you applied to hundreds of jobs but still are not getting interview calls? Do you have 8, 10, or even 15 years of experience yet recruiters are not responding? If that's happening to you, this video is for you. Hi, I am Sandeep Jaiswal. I have over 14 years of experience in software engineering, and throughout my career, I have worked as a developer, as a technical leader, an engineering manager, and an AVP. I have interviewed candidates, participated in hiring decisions, mentored engineers, and helped professionals prepare for senior technical roles. One thing I have noticed again and again is this: many experienced engineers believe that if they improve their coding skills, interview calls will automatically come. Unfortunately, that's no longer how the market works. The hiring process has changed. Companies are looking for much more than technical skills. They want engineers who can communicate clearly, solve business problems, explain architecture, collaborate with teams, and demonstrate leadership. That's exactly why I am starting this interview preparation series. This is not just another Angular series or another DSA series. The This series is for experienced software engineers who want to move into senior software engineer, lead engineer, staff engineer, engineering manager, or similar leadership roles. Over the coming videos, I will share practical frameworks, interview strategies, and common mistakes I have seen from both sides of the interview table. Let's begin by understanding why so many experienced developers are not getting interview calls today. Let's break this down. Most people assume the problem is technical knowledge. In reality, that's only one part of the equation. The first area is your resume. A recruiter may spend only a few seconds deciding whether to move forward if your resume doesn't clearly communicate impact, ownership, and business value. You may never reach the interview stage. The second area is your LinkedIn. Many recruiters search LinkedIn before they even open a resume. If your profile doesn't reflect your expertise, achievements, and the type of role you are targeting, you are missing the opportunities. The third area is interview strategy. Many experienced engineers prepare randomly. One day they solve coding problems, the next day they watch system design videos, and then they revise Angular or React. Without a structured plan, it's very difficult to make consistent progress. The fourth area is technical depth. Technical depth. For a senior roles, interviewers expect more than correct answers. They want to understand your decision making process, trade offs, scalability, considerations, performance optimizations, and architectural thinking. The fifth area is communication. I have seen technically strong candidates struggle simply because they couldn't explain their ideas clearly. The ability to communicate complex concepts in a simple way is a critical skill for senior engineers. The sixth area is leadership. Yes, even if you are applying for an individual contributor role, interviewers often ask about ownership, mentoring, stakeholder management, difficult decisions, and cross functional collaboration. The final area is mock interviews. Many candidates attend real interviews without ever practicing in a realistic interviews environment. Mock interviews help identify weak areas before they affect actual opportunities. The seventh areas work together. These seven areas work together. Focusing on only one of them rarely produces the result experienced engineers are looking for. This is the roadmap we follow throughout this series. So, this is the roadmap we will follow throughout this series. We will start by improving the assets that help you get interview calls. Then we will move into technical preparation for senior level interviews. After that, we will cover system design, architectural thinking, and performance discussions. We will also spend time on behavioral questions, leadership scenarios, and communication because those become increasingly important as your experience grows. Finally, we will look at mock interviews, feedback, and salary negotiation. So you are prepared for the complete hiring process, not just the technical rounds. I hope this first session gave you a clear understanding of why experienced senior engineers often struggle to get interview calls. The good news is that every one of these areas can be improved with the right strategy and consistent practice. This series is designed to help you do exactly that. For the next video, we are going to focus on one of the most important topics in the entire job search process, your resume. I will show you what recruiters actually look for and the common mistakes that cause resumes to be rejected, and practical ways to improve your chances of getting shortlisted. If you are serious about making your next career move, subscribe to the channel and follow this series from the beginning. If you have a question or a topic you would like me to cover, leave it in the comments. I will use your questions to shape future episodes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the day 2.